A yellow screen on Samsung can look serious, but it's often fixable. In this video, we'll cover the main causes and 18 quick fixes to help restore your screen. Part 1. Why is my Samsung screen suddenly yellowish? Blue light filter on adds yellow tint. Wrong screen mode changes colors. Night mode filters overlays warms display. Software bug after update color issue. Auto brightness shifts tone. Hardware aging rare slight tint change. Part 2. Can you fix Samsung yellow screen of death? 17 basic solutions. Way 1. Clear Samsung screen. Way 2. Adjust or reset display settings. Way 3. Reset all settings on Samsung. Way 4. Run a screen capture test. Way 5. Switch off blue light filter. Way 6. Disable eye comfort shield. Way 7. Modify screen color mode. Way 8. Disable night mode. Way 9. Verify accessibility settings. Way 10. Use Pixel Fix apps. Way 11. Test app conflicts or hardware issues. Way 12. Try Nova Launcher. Way 13. Use ADB command. Way 14. Force restart your Galaxy. Way 15. Update Samsung firmware. Way 16. Factory reset. Samsung. Way 17. Contact Samsung for help. Part 3. How to fix Samsung yellow screen of death with an ultimate solution. Android repair fixes Android system issues like boot loops, crashes, and screen problems, including the Samsung yellow screen caused by software or firmware errors, often without data loss and high success rate. 01. Install and launch. Download Android Repair. Install and launch it. Click System Repair and connect your Samsung device via USB. 02. Enter device details. Select Android Repair from the menu. Review issues and click Start. Enter device details and tap Next. Type 000000 into the field and tap Confirm. Note: this may erase data. 03. Repair in download mode. Switch your phone into download mode and let the software repair it. Boot your Samsung device into download mode. Click Next to download firmware. The tool will automatically repair the yellow screen.